Respected audience, today as we gather here, let us pause for a moment and think of those hands roughened by years of hard work. Who build our cities, plow our fields, and light up our homes. While we rest in the comfort of our lives, they toil under the sun, the rain, and the storm. Today is not just a day of celebration. It is a tribute to the sweat, the sacrifice, and the silent struggles of millions who teach us that dignity always comes with labor. Labor Day reminds us of the backbone of every thriving society, the workers. They may not wear suits or own empires, but they are the ones who build the empires. They are the nameless heroes who remind us that progress does not happen in air-conditioned office alone. It happens in the fields, on the roads, at the factories. Each brick a labor lays, each crop a farmer sows is an act of love toward humanity. Yet in the world of tall towers and shiny cars, their voices are often lost, their dreams buried under the heavy loads. It is our moral duty to not just recognize their existence, but to honor their sacrifices with fairness, justice, and respect. Remember the words of Martin Luther King Jr. All labor that uplift humanity has dignity and importance and should be undertaken with painstaking excellence. Today, let us promise that we will never talk down upon those who work with their hands, because it is through their calloused palms that civilizations rise and nations prosper. Allow me to share a few lines inspired by the spirit of workers. They build places but sleep in shacks. They light our cities but walk in darkness. They lift the weight of the world yet are crushed by it. O world, when will you repay their broken dreams? On this Labor Day, let us not offer more words. Let's offer respect, fair wages, safe workplace, and a chance for every worker's child to dream without hunger. As Mahatma Gandhi rightly said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Today, we honor those who lose themselves every day in the service of building a better world. Thank you.